this one must be on the center. Okay. This one must be same. This one must be same. All same. Left and right. Then question mark, hanger. Then put it here. This one must be aligning here. Then side to side must be even. Okay, this is the front side. Then put it there. Then pull this one. Pull the crotch. Pull the crotch. Then
where is the
put like here. Then side to side. Fold side to side. Like this. Then another pieces. This one must be here. All here. No chance here. Only one way. One way. Right side. Opposite. Opposite. When you pull, then fold like this. Then side seam, fold like this. Okay. Then again, one piece again. It depends on this one. If this one is, because the hanger is 13 inches for the size medium. So this one again, pull the crotch. You take this one, pull the crotch, make like this, then towards here. Then again fold side seam. Side seam fold. Okay. See, it's very clear. Then I don't want this one folding balon na. No. Beshi plate na. This one must be fold properly. So when you put it in the carton, see we put it on the carton. This is the quality. I don't want this one plate here. No.
Flat.
This one is flat like this. So like this. See? You see this one? See? No chance this one like this. This one like this. Understand me? This one must be consistent left and right. This one no pleated here. See, look at the pressing, look at the presentation of the pocket. So when you put this one in the poly bag, this one must be same. So if this one, because this one have 3 pieces, 4 pieces within the poly bag. So when you put it on the poly bag, all together in one poly bag. Then after poly bag, you just only put in there, then put like this. This is the problem.
Crash করে দেবে, crash হলে হবে না। বুঝছেন? এটা আমরা সুন্দর মতো বাজে রেখে দিতে হবে।
We will send you the method, okay? But not now, so that you have everything every factory are consistent, even, but still independent, responsible to show you how to proper pack. Okay. Nag-picture ka ba nung packing way?
Better you give all manual.
The pattern, right?
Yes.
Pattern as a shape.
No, straight.
Right. As a knife.
প্যাটার্নে সোজা আছে কিন্তু বডিতে হইছে প্যাটার্ন স্ট্রেট।
Then this, look at this side. Can this one is curving like this?
Means swing handling problem. So
After the seam, this one, no chance this one pointed here. This is the one I'm calling this attention. See? Then also the hemming as the small big. Here. This is the one I don't like this one. See? When you're making here, this is the left and right. See? Look at the hiking, then hemming. Guray. This one, all 3 chords. See, look at this side. Then
ফিনিশিং এর তেমন কোনো ইস্যু দিয়ে সুইং আর মেইনটেনেন্স তো দুজনে যদি ঠিকভাবে উনি মেশিনটা অ্যাডজাস্ট করে দিবে তোমরা সুন্দর মতো স্মুথলি হ্যান্ডেল করবে।
incomplete stitch. Halong shape. Tanggalin mo isang short na nasa likod. Huwag ka magpipicture na magpatong-patong.
তুলে না আরো দিতে হবে তুলে না আরো দিতে হবে
Masyado.
স্যার এটা বাতাসও পিস মার্ক আসে
বাতাসে হয়
হ্যাঁ
ফ্যাক্টরিতে তোমার এই অক্সিজেন মাস্ক লাগাই রাখতে
And also the
এক বড়ি 3 বার আয়রন করছি
this is the one, that's why I'm asking you the pattern here. No?
3 বার করছি পড়ছি পড়ছি
This side, as in like this, instead of properly shaped. See? As a pointed here.
শেপটা
You can check here. See? That's why I have the dimple here, because the shape balon na. This one like this, then this one like this. Then when you tapis stitching this side, you need to follow the shape. Huh? The shape. Then also this side, this is the one you don't like to happen here. That's why we ask you, before this one, you need to repress this side.
কাটিং ইনসার্ট করে এর কোনো সিঙ্গেল কোনো পার্ট আছে এর কোনো সিঙ্গেল কোনো পার্ট আছে হ্যাঁ সবগুলো লেফট রাইট আছে এখান দাঁড়ান কাজ হবে আগে আমরের লগে এদিকে আসেন আমি আসি এটা লেফট
And
রাইট একটা পার্ট না
also, don't open too hard.
লেফট রাইট একটা পার্ট না
This one.
এই যে একটা
See,
পার্ট না
the stitches is coming out.
ঠিক আছে শুধু এটাও একটা পার্ট রাইট
UKG
আমরা সব মাল পেয়ারে কাটছি
This one like this. No chance
ঠিক
this
আছে?
one over opening.
পেয়ারে দিলে জিনিসটা সুবিধা না কাটতে হবে পেয়ারে আমরা লেফট রাইট ঠিক করে কাটতে হবে
স্যার দিকে
This one. When you open this one, don't open like this. You need to follow this one and don't stretch this one. You need to hold very light. You cannot push like this, then tanbe na. This one you need to follow the shape. You cannot
ভিডিও আছে এটা
make like this. No, you cannot sewing like this. You need to follow the shape.
নাম শেপ
Then straight, then again.
ঘুরে যায় আস্তে আস্তে
Okay.
সেই ব্যাসটা সেই
Sign. Then maintain the tacking here. Tacking here must be maintained. But start and stitch must be here. Cell. Here. Start here. When you make it like here, start here. End here. Then vertical tacking here. Okay. Then also here. Start here. Finish here. Then vertical tacking.